Hey guys, okay, so today we're going to talk about sampling distributions and margin of error. These are the different types of samples. Our simple random sample is where members are chosen using a method that gives everyone an equal chance of being selected. So equal chance of being selected is key here. So everyone in the population should have an equal chance. That's simple random. Systematic is members are chosen using a pattern. I like to think of it's a system, such as selecting every other person or every 10th person, every 50th person. Our stratified sample is the population is first divided into groups, and then members are randomly chosen from each group. So my first step was to divide into groups, and then I randomly choose someone from each group. Our cluster sample is similar in stratified in that they group them first, but in this one, a sample of the groups is randomly chosen and all the members in the chosen groups are surveyed. So out of the groups, one is chosen at random and everyone in the group is surveyed. Okay? Convenience sample is easily accessible. Okay, this is like, hey, I'm going to survey the first 3 students who walk through my door. Well, just because it's easy doesn't mean that I'm not going to have bias. Self-selected, this is volunteer. So you're selecting yourself to participate. And then when we look at accuracy for these, okay, a census would be the most accurate because you're asking every single person in the population. The very accurate ones would be simple, stratified, or cluster. And these are very accurate because everyone in the population has a chance of getting selected. And not very accurate would be the convenience or the self-selected. All right, so we are going to go through some questions. Okay, the campaign staff for a state politician wants to know how voters in the state feel about a number of issues. Classify each. So, I want you guys to be looking at your notes while you answer these. They call every 50th person on a list of registered voters in the state. As soon as I see this, I know that this is systematic. Okay, every 50th person, there's a pattern. Okay, they randomly select 100 voters from each county to call. Okay, so this one you have to think about first. Each county means they grouped it. Then they randomly select 100 voters from each. So this is stratified. Okay, so they grouped them and then selected from each group. Okay, they ask every person who comes to the next campaign rally to fill out a survey. Well, it's the next campaign rally. What about all the people who did not go to the rally? So this is a convenience sample. Okay. Next one. The editor of a snowboarding magazine wants to know the reader's favorite places to snowboard. The latest issue of the magazine included a survey, and 238 readers completed and returned the survey. Okay. So this is just like a magazine you get in the mail. Okay, and there's a survey inside. 238 readers completed and returned it. Okay, so this is self-selected because not everyone filled it out and returned it. Sometimes when you see a survey in a magazine, you just keep flipping the page. Okay, and then on this side, we are going to classify. Okay, so a community organization has 56 teenage members, 103 adult members, 31 senior members. The council wants to survey the members. We're going to classify each method. Okay? So randomly select 60 people from the complete membership list. This is simple random. You have an entire list, you randomly select 60. Method B. Choose every 5th person who arrives at the community cleanup event. Okay? Whenever you see that 5th, you know it's stratified. And then randomly select 20 teenagers, 20 adults, and 20 seniors from the complete roster. Okay? That is stratified. Okay? So A will always be most accurate, the simple random. Okay? The stratified, you're going to overrepresent and underrepresent because seniors, there were only 21 seniors and you took 20 of them. So they're being overrepresented. And the adults, there were 103 and you took 20. So they are underrepresented. And then the B is least accurate because members who did not attend the cleanup have no chance of being included. All right, thanks, guys.